Welcome back to Powell's Fundamentals. All the sources for this news report are linked below. You can find more videos like this on our YouTube channel. Today we'll be covering international news first, then local news from the Faroe Islands, and then we'll end with a detailed weather report.
Okay, sounds good.
So let's jump right into the international news.
The EU's foreign policy chief, Kaja Kallas, warned that China will benefit if the U.S. and EU engage in a trade war. U.S. President Donald Trump threatened to impose tariffs on EU goods over the weekend. He claimed a trade deficit and accused the EU of taking advantage of the U.S.
Yeah, Trump also imposed tariffs on goods from Canada, Mexico, and China.
Right. Denmark's Prime Minister, Mette Frederiksen, stated that the EU will retaliate if the U.S. goes through with the tariffs.
Okay. Shifting focus over to Sweden, another explosion occurred in Stockholm. It was near a restaurant in Nacka.
There was only minor damage, but this is the latest in a string of explosions in the city. Police are investigating the incident as aggravated vandalism and handling of flammable materials and explosives. Swedish Prime Minister Ulf Kristersson suggested increased police presence in public areas.
Wow. And turning to Greenland, there have been two recent murder cases.
A 28-year-old man stabbed his wife to death in Nuuk, and a 27-year-old man was convicted of killing a 65-year-old woman in Nanortalik.
Okay, and U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance believes that the U.S. will succeed in acquiring Greenland.
He stated that President Trump doesn't care about objections from Europe.
Okay, so that covers the major developments internationally. Let's move on to local news from the Faroe Islands.
The Danish parliament launched Faroes and Greenlandic versions of its website.
Right, they said the goal is to increase accessibility across the Danish realm. The websites include information about the Danish Parliament's role in the realm, the work of the Faroes and Greenlandic committees, and the work of the Foreign Policy Committee and Arctic Delegation.
And there's a discrepancy in the numbers of Faroes students studying in Denmark, which has caused some concern.
Yeah, Faroes MP Barur Alaguni is questioning the differing figures reported by Statistics Denmark and Studny, which is the Faroe Student Loan and Grant Fund.
Statistics Denmark reports 1,865 Faroes students in Denmark for the 2020-2023 school year, while Studny reports a decrease in Faroes students studying in Denmark over the past 10 years from 1,423 to 732.
Interesting. The Faroe City Council is objecting to proposed changes to the Fisheries Act that would allow ships to land half their catch abroad.
Mayor Kristen Michelson argues that this will lead to lost revenue and further emigration from Suðuroy.
The Ministry of Health decided against removing the monopoly held by Apoteksvirki for importing pharmaceuticals for the aquaculture industry.
The Aquaculture Association argued for opening up imports to reduce costs and increase variety and availability. They cited lower-priced offers from alternative suppliers. However, Apoteksvirki argued that ending their monopoly would disrupt supply chains and cited negative experiences with low-cost suppliers. The Health Inspectorate and the Chief Veterinarian also opposed the proposal, citing potential difficulties in monitoring pharmaceutical use in the aquaculture industry.
Okay. The Agricultural Agency is selling breeding mares aged 1 to 15 years due to lack of space.
They're emphasizing the importance of finding buyers committed to breeding and developing the Faroes horse population. The price for a mare is set at 5,000 DKK. Geldings removed from the breeding program are also available for sale.
Okay, so that covers the local news. Let's wrap up today's news report with the weather.
A storm low-pressure system, 947 HPA, south of Iceland, is moving north and deepening. Mild southerly airflow bringing rain or sleet is expected today, with a brief period of heavy rain moving eastward in the afternoon, followed by sleet showers.
On Monday night, the wind will be shifting west to southeast and decreasing to a light breeze. Temperatures will drop to 3 degrees C.
Tuesday will bring light to fresh southeasterly winds, variable cloud cover, and sleet showers. The wind will increase overnight with snow showers. Temperatures will range from 2 to 7 degrees C.
Wednesday will bring fresh to strong southeasterly winds, variable cloud cover, and sleet showers. It will shift to southerly winds in the evening, becoming overcast and dry. The winds will increase to strong overnight. Temperatures will range from 4 to 9 degrees C.
Thursday will see strong southerly winds, overcast skies, and occasional sleet. Temperatures will be between 6 to 10 degrees C.
Friday will have fresh to strong southerly winds, partly cloudy skies, and occasional sleet. Temperatures will be between 6 to 9 degrees C.
Saturday will start with fresh southerly winds, partly cloudy skies, and mostly dry conditions. Increasing winds and rain in the afternoon, shifting to westerly winds and decreasing to a light breeze. Temperatures will range from 4 to 9 degrees C.
That's a lot of news to cover today.
Yes, a lot happened.
Both internationally and locally.
Yeah, a lot of news today from around the Danish realm.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, well, that does it for our news report today.
Make sure to check the links below for all the sources we use.
And visit our YouTube channel, Pals Fundamentals, for more videos like this one.
Yeah, thanks for listening.